Is VLC lagging, stuttering, or freezing while you're watching a video? Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several quick fixes that can make playback smoother, especially for high-resolution videos. First, let's start with the simple stuff. Close VLC completely, then open it again. Also, close unnecessary apps running in the background. If your CPU or memory is already under heavy load, VLC may struggle to decode demanding video files. Next, check hardware decoding. Open VLC's preferences, then go to Input and Codecs. Find the hardware accelerated decoding option and make sure it's enabled or set to automatic. Yeah, this can make a big difference with high-resolution or heavily compressed videos because compatible decoding can use your GPU instead of relying entirely on the CPU. If the video is still stuttering, try changing the video output. In Preferences, open the video section and look for the output option. Try a different available output, then save the settings and restart VLC. This is especially useful when the current output doesn't work well with your graphics driver. If the problem happens mainly with online streams or network videos, caching may be the issue. Open Preferences and look under Input and Codecs for caching settings. Increasing the network caching value can help reduce interruptions when the connection isn't perfectly stable. Still having problems? Your VLC settings may simply be misconfigured. Open the Preferences window and choose Reset Preferences. Confirm the reset, restart VLC, and test the same video again. This is a good option if the lag started after changing advanced settings. Finally, test another video. If only one file lags, the file itself may be unusually demanding or damaged. Also, make sure your graphics driver and VLC installation are up to date. And if you're playing 4K or very high bitrate footage on older hardware, lowering the video resolution or using a lighter copy can help. So that's it. Start with hardware decoding, then try a different video output, adjust caching for streams, and reset preferences if necessary. Hopefully, one of these fixes gets VLC playing smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.